Welcome back. Something very special. The Michael J. White signature move, also called as the psycho kick, is something very cool, super cool. It has to be in your kicking arsenal. It has to be in your bag of skills. So something quite complicated also, but we'll break down the technique step by step and learning the psycho kick. I'm not saying my kick is as good as or somewhere near, even near to the level of Michael J. White. He's great. The speed, the power, the knowledge, one hell of a combination. Okay, so we just want to be cool martial art guys. We want to do something cool, so let's do it. There are three motions in the super flashy kick. Is it practical? It may be. You need a very good timing, very good speed, very good flexibility. Can I use it in real fight? I don't think so, but still it's just a cool looking kick. We need to learn that, because even if it is not used in real fighting, it gives your body certain flexibility, mastery over your own body. If I'm doing a kind of kung fu kind of movements, maybe I can't use that in a street fight, but still I will get the kind of body control so that I can kick more precisely, I can get more flexible, right? So let us keep that in mind and train. So basically the kick is just three motions, as I just told. It is like you are going to take off from the foot that you don't use while kicking, right? I am going to kick using this leg, so I am going to jump off using the other leg. In this case it is my left leg. So it is like from here we take off, and from here it is like this. And it is easily explained when I get in air. And from here 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so taking off 1, 2 and 3. So somewhere I saw this interview of Michael J. White when he was asked about this kick. He said, I was trying to do a jump roundhouse kick where you do it like this with this foot, right? And I ended up jumping off from the wrong foot, and he did something like this by mistake. So for doing this kick, actually I think you need to know what is the right kick, like what he actually wanted to do. So the first step, पहली चीज जो हम करना चाहते हैं, जो माइकल जे वाइट असली में करना चाहते थे, ये करना चाहते थे, लेकिन इस पैर से उठ गया तो गलती से ऐसा हो गया. तो एक्चुअली किक वही है, लेकिन पहले हम यही सीखेंगे. सो द फर्स्ट ड्रिल वुड बी यू आर टेकिंग ऑफ यूजिंग द राइट लेग and hitting using the right leg. So it will be like this. So it is better. It mobilizes your hip. It gives you that control वाली feeling आने दो, मतलब आपकी बॉडी में, क्योंकि इसी पैर से आप टेक ऑफ करोगे और इसी पैर से आप हिट करोगे तो ऐसा. Now let's move on to the actual kick. What we are doing is we are taking off using the left leg, and the right leg goes in opposite diagonal direction. Let's see how that happens. It is like 1 and 2, right? 1 and 2, opposite direction, right? Step off using the left and right. हाँ जी, तो जब आपने ये वाली मूव, ये वाली आपने 10-15 बार कर ली होगी, तो उसके बाद आपके दिमाग में सेट हो जाएगा. अब आपको करना है, ये पैर यहाँ पे तो आ गया, यहाँ से आपको ये पैर हवा में ही ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन में लेना है, so that the leg sets up for the round kick, right? I'm going to go like this, and from here I have to move back, right? This you have to practice. This is the second drill. 1, 2, right? Go here, diagonally here, and pull back. And try to do this before landing the other foot in a jump, right? 1, 2, right? This you have to practice. ये करते रहिएगा. लैंडिंग करने से पहले दोनों मूवमेंट हो जाने चाहिए. ये देखो, राइट? हाँ जी, तो अगर समझने में दिक्कत हो रही तो पहले आप एक जगह में बैठ जाइए. यहाँ पे मैं स्टूल पे बैठा हूँ. Sit, be comfortable, understand, just go through the motion, right? You're running and took off from the left foot like this, and the right leg kicks in diagonal direction, gets supports or something like this. 1, and now we are coming back. So ये ready है 1 और 2. अभी आपने क्या करना है, ये जो सेकंड वाला मूवमेंट था, इसके साथ थर्ड वाले मूवमेंट को कंबाइन करना है. What is the third movement? The third movement is nothing but 1, 2, and this is the third one. You have to pick this up, right? 1 and 2, 3 together. 1, 2 and 3. It's actually 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. ये बैठे बैठे प्रैक्टिस करिए. 1, 2, 3. Like 1, 2, 3. Get it? 1, 2, 3. इससे क्या होगा? Actually it is nothing. Just the first. Actually this is the second drill. 1, 2 with this leg tracked up. तो इससे क्या होगा, एक कैमरा के सामने करते हुए लुक अच्छी आएगी एकदम, राइट? सो दैट वाज एक्चुअली द फोर्थ स्टेप. वेरी सिंपल. द थर्ड स्टेप, 1, 2, With this, you tuck it. Do this 10-15 टाइम, 10-15 बार करिए जब तक आपको अच्छे से समझ नहीं आ जाता क्या हो रहा है. बैठ के भी कर सकते, खड़े होकर कर सकते हैं. दिस वन. तो अगला स्टेप तो आप जानते ही होंगे क्योंकि सब कुछ तो हो गया, अभी लास्ट मारना बाकी है. तो इसमें क्या करना है? द नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज प्रीटी ऑब्वियस. नथिंग टू डू, जस्ट लाइक वी डिड. सिट डाउन, get it in your mind, get it figured out, right? Take off using the left leg. 1. Okay, kick in the opposite diagonal. Pull back along with tucking. See, I kicked, pull back. Actually, this is 1, 2, 3, and from here just kick. Right? It is pretty simple, nothing to do. 1, 2, 3, kick. It is better when you get up, I think. Okay. Take off, try this 1, 2, and then kick. Try to kick before landing. It won't look good because after landing you're kicking, it won't be at that height also. You have to kick, finish the kick before landing. Jump, do that. Try this on a very low level. Right? बहुत नीचे से शुरू करिए. 1 हो गया, 2 हो गया, 3 हो गया. 3 मतलब नीचे वाला पैर उठा दिया. इसके बाद क्या करना है? जस्ट किक. 1 किक. बहुत आसानी से यहां से हो सकता है. नीचे नीचे शुरू करिए जैसे मैं अभी कैमरा में करके दिखाता हूं. राइट? लैंड होने से पहले ट्राई करना. राइट? माइकल जे वाइट डज इट मे बी 6 feet high, right? That is practice, that is flexibility. He put his whole life behind that, right? हमें भी उतनी ही शिद्दत से प्रैक्टिस करनी है. पहले धीरे धीरे नीचे से करके स्टार्ट करेंगे. ये देखो, राइट. when you are most probably when you are hitting punching bag, your lower leg, the other leg won't tuck in, but you have to teach yourself to tuck the other leg in like this. It looks better. And the most important thing that even I am not still correct at, because इसमें most trickiest part क्या है कि लैंडिंग. यूजुअली आप जब लैंड करोगे तो अरे भगवान ऐसे लैंड करोगे. ऐसे लैंड करेंगे तो अच्छा नहीं लगेगा क्योंकि अच्छा लगने वाली किक है ना, मतलब इट इज जस्ट अ शो ऑफ मूव. यू हैव टू लुक गुड. सो प्रैक्टिस दिस लाइक यू कैन हैंग योरसेल्फ समवेयर. आई मीन हाथों से, गर्दन से नहीं हैंग करना. ये 1, 2 and 3 एंड ट्राई दिस. राइट? यू हैव टू नो हाउ टू लैंड. इसमें क्या करना होता है? प्रैक्टिस द किक विद योर वेट फॉरवर्ड. आगे की तरफ वजन डालोगे तो यूं लैंड नहीं करोगे. आपको लैंड हमेशा आगे की तरफ करना है. वेट आगे की तरफ अगर डालोगे तो क्या होगा? एकदम पैरों पे आप ठीक तरीके से लैंड कर पाएंगे. यू विल लैंड करेक्टली इफ यू पुट वेट फॉरवर्ड. राइट? The height at which you kick and the मतलब पैर कितने आपके एकदम ऐसे 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 होते हैं, that all depends on your flexibility and your core strength also. Because in mid air you are changing direction of your legs maybe 2 times. Yes, 1, 2, you are changing your direction. That requires a lot of strength in your core. I recommend doing stretching for flexibility and always do some kind of planks or abdominal exercises for getting that core strength. Karate TV online classes are starting. Register, link is in description. Register now, fill the form to get in your best form. The classes will be like rooted in the martial art of karate, and just like our videos will go from karate to maybe things from wrestling, things from Kalaripayattu. It is an overall class. It is just like a karate class but online. Nothing, it will be according to the syllabus rooted in the martial art of karate with Sangokai Shotokan syllabus. Fill the form, you will know everything. And if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and bell icon, press the bell icon.